Hello everyone, this is Dale from Davros's Digital Domain, and I am here to tell you how to write your own script, like I do in the stories. If you hear people talking in the background, don't worry about it. That's just people in my house. So right now I'm going to talk to you about how to write the script. So here is what we call the title page. But first let me talk about the format. So on the title page, you would do underlined text, and you do courier, and you'd put the title in quotes, and then you would do once, and also the font size is 24. Then you would do a space, then you would write written by, underlined, and then you do space, and then you would write your name right here. And then you would do a bunch of hitting the enter bar until you get down to here, and then you do another page, and then right here, when you get to here, where my cursor is, you can either put your phone or your email, or you can put both. You can put your phone number, and then under that, put your email. And then we actually begin writing the story. So here, you would do it in bold and 12 text, just like this. You would write here, write your opening scene of the story, and then so you can see, write a detailed description on the scenery to the opening of your story. I forgot the ing, but the opening of your story. Then you would write all the details, and then you would go to character speech. What character speech means is you would put the character's name right here, but first it wouldn't be bold or underlined. You would put the character's name right here and then what they say. So his name was Charles, then you would do hello, then you would write Charles said, "Hello, Cindy," but you would not put the quotes around there because we already see that the script is saying that. And then you would keep doing that. And what I suggest is that you write out the whole story first, the character to speech, and then what you would do is, right here I wrote, after you write the character's dialogue, go back and add character actions, which means it would be Charles looks at the camera and smiles. You would write that, but also you would do an enter so it's by itself and it's not cluttered. Because the people need to be able to read it. And then after you do that, what I suggest you do is you write the actions. After you write the actions, you can put the camera angles, like the camera fades to a shot of the moon. And then again, you would make it independent speech, like that. And then after you do all that, you have your script. But usually scripts for TV shows, depending on the length, each page is about 1 minute. So right now I have 5 pages worth of stuff, technically 4. So this right now would be 4 minutes. But as I kept going, it would get longer. So that's really all I have to say to you guys. So I'm gonna let you write your own scripts and have an awesome day. This has been Dale from Davros' Digital Domain, signing out. Oops. Signing out.